I feel gross.
Yeah, I think I want to start working out, but it's like,
Ugh.
who has the time?
And then you find the time, and guess what? Everybody else has the time. Every machine is taken, and they don't want you doing salsa dancing.
Right? What if someone came to our house, showed us how to work out here?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking? We need a hack master.
Hackers at home, I'd like for you to meet executive editor of Good Housekeeping magazine, Megan Murphy, everybody. Yes, she is also a certified fitness expert.
We can transform any space in your house into a home gym, and it's not even gonna cost you a cent. So, we've got a basket of old neckties, and I'm gonna put you to work, but not in an office. All right, so grab a couple of ties, and we're gonna secure them together. We're creating jump ropes. Out of neckties.
Out of neckties. Okay, yeah. Okay, that's... Oh, we're not gonna actually jump rope.
Now, if you can keep this up for 10 minutes, it's the equivalent of running 30 minutes on the treadmill.
I can't. I
You
got
start
this
to
extra
freestyle
ties.
once you get it.
This is, oh, yeah.
It takes coordination.
You save 10, 15 bucks.
But even bigger than that, you're saving yourself from having a piece of ugly, big-ass cardio equipment in your house.
Yes.
Yeah.
You can tone right at home. Kettlebells is a really awesome way to dynamically strength train, but you don't need a fancy kettlebell. Dun, da, da, da. Oh, Hackmaster laundry detergent.
Hey, okay.
This is a great whole body movement. It's burning calories, it's toning your hamstrings, your butt, your arms, your
Bending your
abs.
knees? Okay.
I can just take your word for that.
Oh, no,
Okay.
no, nobody gets off that hook. You're toning all your posterior chains, so that way you look good coming and going, right? You're gonna wanna start backing into the room if you do enough of these.
No one's gonna want me to come into any room if I've got my detergent. Oh, Kevin's hopped up on his detergent again. But this is a totally viable substitute, and it's a super easy to grip handle by design, so you can do 1,000 different workouts with this.
I'm gonna turn a basic gym move called a mountain climber into something you can do in your living room using these paper plates.
Okay.
So the key is you get into plank position, engaging your core, and then you're gonna drive your knees in and out climbing that mountain. So it's bump, 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 bump. That move alone pretty much takes the place of the gym. Shoot back into push-up position. Great. What's going on, Kev? Action.
Oh, I was not gonna do it if it wasn't gonna okay.
Oh, no.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Okay, so keep it down, nice and level, and then you're gonna drive your knees to your armpit. In and out, in and out. So this is really great, no impact cardio that you could do in your living room. But unlike running, there's no stress or pounding on your joints.
All right, guys. How about we work on our heart health next?
Here's a good way to work our arms.
Cheers to that. Megan Murphy from Good Housekeeping. You truly are a hack master.